Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your LG Gram's battery is draining way too fast. First of all, let's change some power settings on your computer by going to Start menu, then open Settings, and in Settings select System and go to Power and Battery menu. In Power and Battery menu, change the power mode from Best Performance or Balanced to Best Power Efficiency, both for plugged-in and on battery modes of your computer. Also, expand screen sleep and Hibernate timeouts and set all the values you see right here to recommended or less. Also, adjust the energy saver. You can either enable it manually by switching this toggle to the right, or you can set the value of your battery level when you want the battery saver to turn on automatically. You can either select one of these values, or you can select always, and then the battery saver will start working whenever your charging cable is unplugged. Besides, let's change the screen brightness. To do so, you have to open the control center by clicking these three icons on your taskbar, and then you can change the screen brightness by moving the top slider you see right here to the left to decrease it, or to the right to increase it. Just move it slightly to the left to the point where you're still comfortable with using your PC. Now let's check which applications cause the battery to drain the most. To do that, right click the taskbar, then go to Task Manager, and in the Processes tab, right click one of the columns you see right here and select Power Usage. Now sort your applications by power usage by clicking right here at the top of the column, and if you see some application that is causing your device to that has high power usage and you don't need it, then you can right click this application and select End Task to turn it off. Besides, go to the Startup Apps section right here and sort the application by status, and if you see some application with enabled status that you don't need to turn on when you power your PC on, then just right click and select Disable. This way you will prevent this application to launch with your computer, and so not only will it launch faster, but it will also reduce the amount of applications that start up along with your PC. Or it will also reduce the amount of applications that run in the background on your computer. That's what I meant to say, I'm sorry. And now, besides, open your control center and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off whenever you aren't using any Bluetooth devices, because Bluetooth uses your energy power too, as well as the USB devices that are plugged into your computer. So if you have a Bluetooth device connected to your computer, or if you have a USB device connected to your computer, then unplug it and plug it in again when you start using it. Now, besides all of that, batteries generally get old and they wear out. And to see how worn out your battery is, you can check its battery health by going to Start, searching for CMD program, run this program as administrator and click Yes. And in the following window, input power CFG battery report. Press Enter, then select the path that you got in return and right click it. And then open either your File Explorer or any of your web browser, open the path field and paste this path that you copied right here. Now, here you can find a lot of different info about your battery, but we don't need all of that. All we need is the full charge capacity level compared to the design capacity level. As you can see, the design capacity of this battery is slightly higher than the current charge capacity, still the current charge capacity doesn't seem too low. But if you see that it's significantly that the design capacity is significantly higher than your full charge capacity, then maybe at this point you should actually replace your battery and basically send your laptop to LG customer support service for repair, and let them take care of your device, replace the battery in it, and then they will return your laptop to you with a new battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.